Texas is a community property state with some of the strongest debtor protections in the country, protections that present significant challenges for creditors while also providing a clear framework for community debt enforcement. Texas's community property rules: all property acquired by either spouse during the marriage, other than property received by gift or inheritance, is community property. Texas presumes that property in a spouse's possession is community property. The burden is on the party claiming separate character to prove it by clear and convincing evidence. Texas community debt rules: a debt incurred by a spouse during the marriage is presumed to be a community debt unless it was incurred for purely personal benefit. Community debts can be enforced against both spouses' community property. For creditors, if your debt was incurred during the debtor's marriage for community purposes, both spouses' community property, their joint earnings, joint accounts, jointly acquired property, is potentially accessible. Texas debtor protections: the most important considerations for creditors. Texas homestead exemption is constitutionally unlimited in value for qualifying property. An urban homestead up to 10 acres, or a rural homestead up to 200 acres for a family. A $5 million home on 5 acres in Texas may be completely exempt. Wage garnishment: Texas does not permit wage garnishment by private creditors for most consumer debts. Only child support, alimony, student loans, and taxes can be garnished. Private judgment creditors cannot garnish wages in Texas. Bank account levy: Texas has limited execution exemptions for personal property. Certain amounts of cash and personal property are exempt, but bank accounts above exempt levels are accessible. For Texas judgment creditors, enforcement strategy must focus on non-homestead real estate, bank accounts above exempt levels, business interests, investment accounts, and community property assets not covered by other exemptions. People Locator skip tracing identifies Texas debtor assets outside the homestead and wage exemptions. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.